Here's everything you need to know from India and around the world. Youth Congress chief Uday Bhanu Chib has been arrested over the shirtless protest at the AI Impact Summit in Delhi. He will be produced before court as investigations continue. Reports reveal how Mexican authorities tracked cartel leader El Mencho using intelligence and close network leads. A Jharkhand family borrowed 8 lakh rupees to arrange an air ambulance in a desperate bid to save a loved one. The tragic case highlights the high cost of emergency medical services in India. West Indies dominated Zimbabwe with a huge win in the T20 World Cup, boosting their net run rate and complicating India's semi-final chances. Investigators say the Jharkhand Air Ambulance had requested a route deviation shortly before the crash. Authorities are now analyzing flight data and communications. Irfan Pathan has suggested promoting Suryakumar Yadav to number 3 ahead of India's crucial T20 World Cup clash against Zimbabwe. A man in Lucknow was allegedly shot dead by his son following a dispute related to exam pressure. Police say the body was hidden in a drum before the accused was arrested. Namo Bharat trains and Delhi Metro will share track infrastructure as part of the Delhi Meerut RRTS expansion. Members of the Indian community in Ireland have reported online racial abuse following debates around food bank usage. India has slowed discussions on a proposed US trade deal, citing strategic and economic concerns. Here's a short breakdown of why talks have hit the brakes and what it means for bilateral trade. Shashi Tharoor welcomed the installation of C. Rajagopalachari's statue at Rashtrapati Bhavan and shared PM Modi's post praising his legacy. Wipro Store says AI will dominate the next 20 years and highlights the skills that will matter most. Here's a quick breakdown of what professionals should focus on in the AI era. Rashmika Mandanna and Vijay Deverakonda's wedding celebrations have begun with a vibrant pool party followed by an elegant dinner. Here's a quick glimpse into their grand celebrations. India is witnessing a sharp rise in dementia cases, creating growing social and economic challenges. Here's a short breakdown of the crisis, caregiver burden and the urgent need for policy action. Shikhar Dhawan has reacted strongly to rumors about his personal life after reports of a second marriage surfaced. Here's a short update on his statement and the social media reaction. US Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth has summoned Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei amid discussions on AI oversight and military control of advanced systems like Claude. KKR youngster Ankrish Raghuvanshi opens up about learning from Rohit Sharma, his IPL journey and his dream of playing for India. Here's a quick breakdown from his latest interview. Donald Trump has warned nations against walking away from trade deals after a US Supreme Court setback on tariff powers. Here's a short breakdown of what this means for global trade talks. An armed intruder was shot dead near Mar-a-Lago after allegedly making threats. Authorities have launched an investigation into the incident. Here's a short update on what we know so far. FedEx has sued the US government seeking refunds on emergency tariffs imposed during the Trump administration. The case follows a Supreme Court ruling on tariff authority. Here's a quick breakdown. Paramount has reportedly raised its offer for Warner Bros. Discovery amid a bidding war involving Netflix. Here's a short breakdown of the media takeover battle and what it means for streaming giants. The US has shared details of an alleged Chinese nuclear test and urged renewed disarmament talks. Here's a quick breakdown of the claims and what they mean for global security. Pakistan's former Prime Minister Imran Khan was taken to Islamabad's PIMS hospital for urgent eye treatment amid vision loss concerns. Here's a short update on the development. For more quick updates like this, hit like, share it with others and subscribe to the channel.